Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This well-appointed and spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, single-level home with powder room is located in the well-sought-after community of Olive Park, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. The property boasts a 2-car garage with automatic doors and a camera system. The property spans over 2,500 square feet and has low maintenance front lawn. The master bedroom boasts a walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom with a shower and jacuzzi tub. The secondary bedroom consists of an ensuite bathroom, while the other 2 bedrooms have shared bathroom. The home is also equipped with a gorgeous kitchen, clad with modern granite countertops, cabinetry, and a beautiful island. Other features include breakfast area, living and dining rooms, laundry area with storage, ceiling fan, grilled, ceramic tile, patio, water tank, water heater, roll down shutters, private settings, low maintenance yard cost, and family oriented. The price for this house is Jamaican 31 million or US $201,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. You for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.